Hey, I'm Melanie, and I don't know where Al is from Our American Travel. Oh, there he is. In this episode, we're going to tell you about the Downtown Riverside RV Park. I can never get the name exactly right. From I'm looking at it on a computer. But in North Little Rock, Arkansas, we stayed there the day we picked up our new travel trailer, and we're going to tell you 5 things we liked about.
How many things?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you enjoy. One of the first things that we liked about Downtown Riverside RV Park was its location. It's conveniently located between the I-40, I-30 split on the North Little Rock side of the Arkansas River, and it's just across the river from one of my favorite areas of Little Rock. Second thing we liked about the RV park was some of the amenities that it had. It has a very nice pavilion. It's gated with a keypad that you will get when you check in. They can send it to you by email. If you that's if you come in after hours, right? It has laundry. It has a women's bathhouse and a men's bathhouse, and I think that's it. The third thing we liked about, why am I doing all of these?
I don't know. You're just the prettier face.
Okay, thanks. Good points. Third thing we liked about Riverside RV Park was the price. Now, we were pretty desperate to find a place. You all know, if you've been camping recently, it's sometimes hard. A lot of places were full.
And we didn't really plan this one. This was kind of not like us.
Yeah. And
should I be over there?
Yes, you
Okay.
should be over here if you're going to talk. Come on over. Yay!
So I hope I'm in the picture here because I don't make it look as good.
Okay, so they've got basically 3 tiers of pricing. They have back-end sites are $25, so cheap. So we had a back-end site, $25, and then you have these really nice pull-throughs, and some of them are so huge.
We were actually in overflow.
Yeah, we were in overflow, but it's the same price as regular back-ends.
Oh, okay.
Pull-through sites are $30, and then we're going to walk around and we're going to show you. They've got these beautiful, actually maybe we're showing you now, I don't know, right along the river primo spots, and they're $33, which is still like totally reasonable.
That's pretty cheap.
Pretty cheap for this beautiful views of the Arkansas River.
And near a lot of things that we're going to talk about in a minute.
Well, that's my 5th thing, so you just blew it.
Okay, well, we're going to talk about those things.
I know, but I wanted to talk about it when it was 5.
Okay, well, the end.
Get out of here. 4th thing we like.
Hey, now we know why I'm not over there, because I messed it all up.
The 4th thing we like, which I've already said many times, is that it's located right along the Arkansas River. I don't know about you, but just being able to look out on water is just a very, very peaceful thing. So I like that. So you're right there on the river. It's really pretty.
Right by the I-30 bridge, kind of.
Yeah, you're kind of between the
Which they're working on.
They are. There's a lot of cranes.
National bird of, forget it.
Okay. The 5th and last thing we really like, and this is like the only thing, actually all the others are okay. It's conveniently located to so many awesome things. You're walking distance to a lot of really great things that we are now going to tell you about, because it's number 5. Bye.
And we didn't really do them because we were just there real quick.
But we've done a lot of them already.
Yeah, we've been there many times. We used to live there. So.
There's only one of the things that we're going to talk about that we have not done. So
we should probably do that.
Yeah, I don't
next time.
Okay, I don't think you're going to want to, but we'll see.
Okay, well, you should probably do that.
Okay.
Are you going to tell us about the things?
Okay. Well, I thought maybe I'd do that later.
Well, we're on number 5.
Okay. First thing.
I mean, we're only talking about 5 things. You're going to do it later. What's later?
The first thing is the William Jefferson Clinton Presidential Library. So you can actually take a footbridge, a walking bridge across the river. You have access from the park, climb up across the Arkansas River, and you get off really, really close to the Presidential Library. We have been to the Presidential Library before.
And we walked part of the way across the bridge.
We did. And it's just a really, really interesting historical piece of history. We have liked going to presidential libraries kind of around the country, and we just wanted to see this.
How many have we been to?
Eisenhower,
I don't know,
Truman. I don't know.
6 or 7.
We skipped 2 last summer that
Yeah.
we could have gone to that we did not. Do we skip? Yeah, we've skipped the Jimmy Carter one several times since we've been through
Yeah,
Atlanta.
we've been to Atlanta a few times.
And then we skipped Woodrow Wilson. We didn't go to his.
And we were nearby.
Yeah.
So what else is there in Little Rock?
Okay, it is so close to
Verizon Arena?
Verizon Arena. I was about to call it Altel Arena because that's what it was. So any kind of concert you want to have, it's right there, walking distance. You may want to drive just because some of the...
Uber?
What?
Maybe an Uber?
Yeah, definitely. But it's right there. And any kind of music events now, we didn't get to have them for a while, so you're really, really close. Another thing that is so close is Arkansas Traveler Baseball. This is a minor league team.
It's a AA affiliate.
AA affiliate.
I think maybe of Seattle, I'm not sure.
And, Arkansas Razorback baseball team sometimes plays there, but not very often, and it's really crowded when they do. And anyway, it's just really cool. It's in North Little Rock. It's on the right side. It is so close if you cross over the bridge to the Little Rock River Market, which is just a really cool downtown area with lots of shops, lots of restaurants, lots of really neat things to see. We're going to put some pictures up of things that you can do there. There's concerts there, an outdoor pavilion. It's walking distance. You can go to the...
Like an amphitheater kind
Yeah,
of.
amphitheater. That's kind of what I said, right?
You said outdoor pavilion.
Okay, so it's an amphitheater.
Similar.
Sorry. Really nice.
Should I be over there again?
Maybe.
Probably not.
There's a lot of historical things to see over there.
I got a face for radio, they say.
Okay. And then if you don't want to walk this far, because we're talking about a lot of walking now, there's a really cool trolley that you can take. It's run by the city transportation department, but it's like these old-fashioned looking trolleys. And we actually, on our anniversary, did this one time. We rode it all the way around the circle.
Went across into North Little Rock.
Yeah, because we were actually staying in Little Rock and ate dinner in Little Rock, and then we rode into North Little Rock, rode all the way around and back over to where we were staying. So it's you can get like 10 rides. Where did I see the trolley? Can't find it now.
Did you mention the other historical things there?
That's all of these. Well, there's the State House Convention Center. There's Arkansas Territorial Restoration.
And the old State House is where like Clinton had
Why are you not over here?
Okay, well, because you kicked me out last time.
Okay.
The old State House is where Clinton, former President Clinton, had his acceptance speech on the night when he elected. So right there in downtown Little Rock. So that's historic that, but it was also like the first state capitol in Little Rock. So it's right there, and you can go see that. And then you mentioned the Territorial Restoration.
Yeah, and it's not called that anymore. I just drove by there last week, and it's called something different. But really early history. It's a really great place to take kids.
We've not been there, but there's a city park real near there called MacArthur Park, which is named after Douglas MacArthur. Which
I did not know that.
He was actually born in Little Rock.
I did not know that either.
Yeah, so that's what I heard that anyway.
Okay.
I've had to verify that. We actually work at Douglas MacArthur Junior High in Jonesboro, so anyway, we really like that it's close to all the amenities. Like you said, a lot of great places to eat, and a lot of great hotels if you want to. If you're not RV parking, or if you want to be in the RV park and somebody else wants to stay across there, that your friends want to stay in the hotel or whatever, it's a great place to do that.
There's also like bike paths along the river and running trails, walking trails along the river. It's just really a lot of great outdoor space.
Absolutely. Thanks. Hey, thanks so much for watching this episode of Our American Travel. We hope you got some good tips about Downtown Riverside RV Park.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
You got it.
It's in North Little Rock, as we've told you, and we had a good time hanging out there for one night. Now, we would just love it if you would like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll come along on our future journeys. Hey, as most of you know, we just got a new RV, and we're out in it right now, so we'll give you some of that info. Yeah, very cool. First time back out. And then we're going to give you a good tour here real soon and show you what we love about our new rig. And looking forward to having a big trip coming up this summer and Memorial Day and so forth. And we'll be sharing all that with you. So thanks for watching.